lady, okay?
You say
take $20,000 from my bank account and send it to the lady.
20,000.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much.
But how much you get? How much you get now?
Okay, so right now the deal is for $1.3 billion.
Oh my God. Okay.
So now I got 20.
Okay. Listen. I don't want her to hear because she doesn't know me. Listen. Take $500,000 in my bank account, in my original, and take $1 million to the other account and send it to the director so she can send it to the secretary lady and she can pay the bill. Okay?
Okay.
I'm live now. I don't want to talk about money when I'm live.
Okay, no problem.
Give me 1
So
second.
I'm just gonna send you the paper,
Okay.
the email, and then just look at it and then let me know.
And
All
talk
right?
to the manager right now.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, boss.
All right. No problem. Okay. Yeah, you can talk.
Honestly, it does. My name's Regina, and
Oh my
I'm from
God.
California.
You can bell bush. You from California?
Yeah.
All right. So how old are you? So what do you do for a living, though?
Oh my God, people are getting into my role. Well, right now, honestly, I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Give me
Listen.
a shot.
Today is your lucky day.
I know, 6,000. I mean,
This is nothing. Listen, I'm from Haiti. I'm Haitian. This is the flag of my country, the flag of Haiti.
I know.
You know, Haiti is a beautiful island, but we go through a lot of bad situation due to the politics situation. Guys, t'as pour ta rage, m'a bien parlé là. But look, I am very happy and feel very blessed and to meet you today and to be with you. But before I explain you about my life, I want to know, what do you do for a living? So who are you and personally? Like, what are you single? What do you do? Who are you?
Oh, I am single. first of
Tendez
all.
bien. Ouais, li gen ta célibataire. Tendez bien. And the dreams. Who you want to be with? Who you love the most? Filming, are you listening?
Yeah.
So who you love the most? Madame, she kiss now the man. Are you there, brother?
Always.
Monsieur Bakashwazi. Are you listening?
We just do what we gotta do.
Are you listening, brother? Monsieur Fassine. Monsieur. Monsieur Fassine. So, she's
got
doing.
to laugh like that, chat.
Michel Ziri, mes petits femmes noires. So you love the dream, right? Dream.
I wanna go to nursing school and institution.
You love Dream Girl, right?
Oh, y'all about to get a hug.
Do you love Dream Girl or the other one? Please tell me. Michel Mawazo. Michel Mawazo. It seems like you were in love with me.
There's certain things that